In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create campaign groups in Google Ads. First, go to ads.google.com and log into your Google Ads account. Next, navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Campaigns tab. Then, from the Campaigns settings, click and expand the Campaigns option and click on the Campaign Groups from the Campaigns dropdown. Then, the Campaign Group settings, make sure the campaign group is selected. Now, click the campaign group icon below to create a new campaign group. Give your campaign group a name. Then, choose the campaigns you want to add to your new campaign group. You can select them all if you have a lot of campaigns, or you can select them one by one. After that, to add the performance targets, click on the Add a Target option below. You can target by spend, number of clicks, or average CPC. I'll choose number of clicks. Then set the value for the target you set. You can add more targets if needed. Click Done, then create a campaign group to create the campaign group. Your campaigns are now organized under a campaign group for easier management. And that's it. That's how you create campaign groups in Google Ads. Thanks for watching.